US dollar, Swiss franc now. As you know, this is a kind of pair that I've not really had too much of a view in recently. I mean, I was looking for a bounce from that 1.0497 level it is there, which appeared on the weekly. Sorry, let me get this up. Appeared on the weekly and it appeared on the. I don't know why these are like that. And also appeared on the monthly. So yeah, we're kind of basically in the middle of this monthly range. We really need to break out one side or the other to really get any kind of direction going here. I mean, if that was to the lower side, the 1.0304 would turn us bearish on the daily. So, you know, if we do come down and close below this 497 level and then hit the 304 level, maybe even down to the 179 level on the daily chart, and then get a retest of that 497 level, that would, you know, basically like a movement like this, down, break, and then a squeeze back up to the 497 level, and then an eventual move lower. And that's quite a good looking scenario. That is, you know, more than possible. And the way that it looks like we've kind of made a bit of a top up here, and then we've had another go at it last week, but it's not really a great close anyway by the looks of things there. So we could quite easily just see a continuation here of you know, of the sort of down move, and maybe look to remove that level next week. You know, by the looks of this chart anyway. But I don't really have any kind of great reason to get involved though at the moment, as I'm saying. I showed you in the room the other day, you know, we had a break here, that was a good time to get involved. You know, so at the moment it's just kind of in the middle of nowhere. On the weekly, you know, we've got all these important levels up here, down here. On the monthly, we're stuck right in between. We've tested both levels this month. We've tested that 883. We were up as 884 as the high that we made, and we tested the 497 level. The 506 was the low we made. So you can see we're basically bouncing from this range here. So we really need something to happen. We need to either break out to the top side or the bottom side here. So yeah, I mean, looking at this chart anyway on a monthly basis, you can see we've broken the upper bat here, and so I mean a close above here would start to look quite good, and I mean that basically ties in with the opposite of the euro US dollar, which of course this pair basically does. So you know that kind of ties in, you know, with that I would say a move higher in this pair and a move lower in the euro US dollar is ultimately what I'm looking for anyway in the longer term, the next sort of year, 2 years, you know, that kind of time frame. So yeah, so basically we need something to happen here. We need to take out a lower level or a higher level here. Yeah, so just really not much else to say there. I doubt I would really be doing anything here this week. So it'll just be a case of watching and see to see if this is the week that we maybe get the breakout. I doubt it very much. We've only actually got a 4-day week here in Europe, UK. We've got a bank holiday on Friday, so we've only got 4 sort of full trading days here. So yeah, I wouldn't expect too much to really happen this week. Although we have the non-farm payrolls on Friday, which will be strange. Need to maybe look into that. The last time the payrolls were out when we also had a holiday in Europe, the UK, and see if there was much action. But yeah, so not expecting too much to happen here on the US dollar Swiss franc this week anyway.